If we want to do something, we have passion for something, we got to fix our body. Without the body, we are nothing any longer. We're sitting home and doing nothing. That's not my life. I was a previous tennis player and I was #1 in the US, and I tried to become #1 in the world, and COVID hit and there was no more tennis being played, so I started playing pickleball. Pickleball is an addiction that I've never experienced before in any sport. I got off one knee replacement last December in my right knee, and I'm heading to another knee replacement here in December. The way I look at it, mind over body. I wouldn't do it if I didn't have such a passion for the sport. With the stem cell treatment next week, I'm hoping that the recovery will be so much quicker, the healing process. It would be like a dream to come back and feel like you are at least 40 years old and not feeling like you're 65 or 70 out there when you're moving around. I'd like to keep playing for another 5 or 10 years on a high level here. But that's what it takes.